In this video, towing mirrors for the Gladiator. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. If you haven't been here, if you've been here, welcome back. I finally got these mirrors after 3 months of being on back order. These are towing mirrors for the Gladiator. It's been raining all day, so the box is a little wet. It just got delivered. I just got home from work. Let's go ahead and open the box up real quick here. So normally you would think that they pack it inside another box, but in this case, it's the mirror box and it's very thin. This box is falling apart. So it comes in this bag. We have some instructions here. They're soaked. Alright, just slap these on. I got this from eTrade.com. Let those dry up. Get to the mirrors. That doesn't sound good. Yeah. Sure enough, they're broken. This one is good, but the other one's broken. So I'm gonna have to give them a call. I called E-Trailer and I told them that the package I received with the mirrors, one was broken. Immediately they told me they're gonna send me a replacement. They told me it was gonna be on back order as well till June 1st. And I had to return the old mirrors, and she was going to email me a contact to go ahead and return that. I received an email from her. Her name was Cassandra P, I believe it was. And she said there was no need for a contact. She was just going to send me the replacement. Day after, I got an email that the mirrors were on the way. So it's only been 3 days, and this is how the new mirrors came in. It's got an official E-Trailer box compared to my original mirrors. Still have the box and the mirrors of the original. As you can see, I got the label there. And you know, since it was raining, it just fell apart. You know, contents besides the broken mirror, it's fine. So let's go check out the new mirrors. Just want to point out, great customer service from E-Trailer. I've purchased 4 or 5 items from them already, and you know, just good stuff. You know, customer service very good. I recommend them, and they have good products too. So I got excited when I saw the box when I got home from work. I started ripping it. So I already ripped this up here. As you can see, it's got multiple staples. So they did a really good job packing this, because I did tell her that it was never packed in a box other than the box from the manufacturer. So I guess she made good notes of that, and it's well packed. As you can see, it's got packing material, packing paper, the way it should have been. Now, I don't know if UPS, this came UPS, the other one came UPS. I don't know if they destroyed the box and they just shipped it like that to me. I don't know. In any case, it's the way it should come. I want to look at the back, the bottom of this, because it's got a bunch of staples as well. No tape, all staples. So, good packing there. As you can see, it could get damaged. Some people may say it's an overkill, but I don't think so. So here's the actual box of the mirrors. It looks in good condition. Let's go ahead and open them up. And I don't know if you can see that, but it has a divider in the middle. You have your right mirror and your left mirror, vice versa. Okay. This will be passenger, looking good. This is driver's side, looking good. So it's a beautiful thing. You know, things happen, and the way companies and people handle things is what makes the difference. In this case, eTrailer.com did a fantastic job in sending me the replacements immediately. So very happy, and kudos to them. So this is interesting. It came with two manuals. This one reads to install it from the top, your tow mirrors to the vehicle's mirrors from the top, and this one reads the opposite, to install them from the bottom to the top. So I guess either way it's gonna work. So let's go out to the Jeep and see what works best. I got my passenger mirror here. By the way, this is the best mirror bag that I've had. These are my 4th or 5th set of mirrors. None of them have worked. You know, the ones I've had in the past, I strapped them on. You know, the mirror itself, when you go down the road, shakes everywhere. You really can't see much. Yeah, these are going to be a game changer. Let's go ahead and install these. I think I'm going to go over the top. I'll go through bottom. Oh yeah. Just like that. You gotta come from the bottom. Look how good that looks. And if you have your turn signal light, this accommodates that as well. Look at that. That is solid. Let's go ahead and do the driver's side now. So here we are on the driver's side. We set this from the bottom. Let's see how quickly I can put these on. What's that, 5 seconds? Nice. I love it. And the fact that the actual mirror is behind this casing, you're not going to have the wind that, you know, it's not going to jiggle everywhere like my previous mirrors. We are inside the Jeep. Let's see what they look like from the inside of the Jeep. Roll down the windows. Oh yeah, these are a game changer. I can see the road. You know, I would have to adjust accordingly when I have the camper trailer attached and I'm towing, but I can definitely see the whole road from my point of view. I can see the whole entire street all the way to the end. From my point of view, it's perfect. Well, back with you all when I have the camper trailer installed, when I'm towing it. See how it really operates in the real world with the camper trailer attached. There's passenger side. I haven't really adjusted them, but so you can see it's got potential. So we'll see. I'm happy. I think it's going to be a game changer. Look at that. I can see the entire street. Trying to remove the mirror, and I notice the bottom, this is what snaps onto the front of the mirror, is pulling my OEM mirror apart. It's splitting it in half right there. That's my OEM mirror. So hopefully there's no damage. You know, that will snap back on. We'll see. Okay, I removed the towing mirror, and what happened was the bottom clip got stuck on the slip here, and I pulled it out, but as soon as I got the mirror out, it just snapped back in place. It never snapped out or anything. It looks like the OEM mirror is intact. No damage done. Now let's go ahead and let's go ahead and go to the driver's side, see if we can do this smoothly. Once I cleared the bottom here, this bottom lip, the mirror came out very easily. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get this little clip, push it down, try to clear my OEM mirror. Once it get caught, almost. There we go. I cleared it, so it should pop right out, like so. Beautiful. Here we are going down a highway with the camper trailer. We're going at idle speed here. This is on the driver's side. We're going 62, 61 miles per hour. That's my average speed when towing the camper trailer. This is passenger side, the towing mirror. These mirrors work perfect. We've used them several times now. I'm gonna say 8 to 10 times, and they really do make the difference compared to all the other mirrors we've used in the past. These are it. They don't shake, as you can see, going 62 miles per hour on the highway. Perfect. Highly recommend them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. Till next time, everybody.